Kalispera kiriskikiri. Today, it's juicy shrimp in a delicious tomato sauce. You're absolutely going to love it. Always salt your water for taste and add a splash of olive oil to keep the pasta from sticking. Now, drop the spaghetti. We're cooking it for around 8 to 10 minutes until it gets perfectly al dente. Give them a quick stir now so they don't stick. Then just toss them every now and then. Right on time. After about 9 minutes, it's perfectly al dente. We'll start by heating a large pan over medium-high heat. Add a generous splash of olive oil, followed by our garlic to get those flavors booming. Stir that into the oil for just a few seconds. You immediately start to smell that incredible aroma as the garlic softens and flavors the oil. Now we'll toss in the onions. We only want to saute them for a few seconds, just enough to let them soften and start catching a hint of that sweet caramelized color. In go the peppers. We'll saute these for just a few more seconds, stirring constantly to let them pick up all that garlic and onion infused flavor. Keep them moving so they get that perfect even sear. Clear a spot in the center. We're dropping in some tomato paste to let it toast and deepen in flavor before we mix it all in. In goes the tomato sauce. Give it a quick stir to coat those seared veggies. And then we're going to add in our white wine, and our water. Just a quick toss to marry those liquids with our sauce and veggies. Season it up with 2 pinches of salt and 1 nice pinch of pepper. Now drop in a bay leaf, a chicken stock cube for extra depth to our sauce. Give that a quick stir and then hit it with a sprinkle of dried oregano to round it all out. Let this simmer down for 8 to 10 minutes. Once the sauce has thickened up and the flavors have developed, we'll be ready for the shrimp. Check out that sauce. It's thickened up beautifully. Now that we got that rich consistency, it's finally time to drop in the shrimp. We're just going to let them simmer for about 2 minutes. They'll cook through quickly while their juices seep into the sauce for that extra hit of seafood flavor. Our shrimp are tender and perfectly cooked. Now for the best part, tossing in the spaghetti. We're going to give it a good mix until every strand is coated in that rich, savory sauce. And for the finishing touch, fresh parsley. It brings the whole dish to life with a bit of color and a nice, fresh finish. Give everything one last toss and we're ready to serve. Nothing says love like a big plate of shrimp spaghetti. whether it's a cozy Saturday night or a dinner with friends. This dish hits the spot every single time. It's a simple dish that brings so much joy to the table. I can't wait for your friends and family to try it. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη!